We did an activity with a review guide where instead of doing our normal review, what they did was answer questions on a Google form. And when they got the answer correct, it gave them part of a code so that they could enter code that would control a Sphero, which is a tiny little ball robot, sort of like BB-8 from Star Wars. Once they had all the parts to the code, they could enter it in and it would drive the Sphero through a maze on the floor. And that's how they could tell whether they got all their answers correct. I think this was really successful. I did 2 different levels. My honors kids had a little bit harder coding, where if they got an incorrect answer, it gave them incorrect code. So then they would have to go back and check their answers, and if they saw that the Sphero drove off the maze, they would have to go back and correct their code. And then my other classes, they just had to code to go straight through the maze, but it gave them a lot of motivation because everybody wanted to drive the robot. Coding also has a lot to do with math. When you get into a little more complex coding, it's very math heavy. Drag and drop coding is a little bit more basic, but it at least gets you into the start of doing some more advanced coding. Coding is everything these days. If you can do coding, that means you can make apps, you can make computer games, you can do anything in the computer realm. So because we're heading that way with technology, it's important for kids to start learning the basics now, because those are the jobs that are going to be readily available in the future.